Hey guys, it's me again, Sagamal Malshwin. And these are my twins. Toink ah! Toink! Oh! Para silang angry. Toink. Sina B1 at B2 laging magkasama. Lagi silang angry kay Papa. Ba't kayo galit na naman kay Papa? Pagkamukha kayo. Ha? Ba't galit na galit kayo kay Papa na naman? Ano yung inyong mga mates ha? Nagngangalit yung mga mata nyo. At bakit? Sagamal Malshwin! This is Deutschland! Weltmeister! Yan po si Cindy Crawford, A1. Cindy Crawford, A2. I love you guys! You love Papa? Oh, you love Papa? Oh, ba't ito mo kasi? Galit na galit kay Papa. Ba't yung galit kay Papa? Wala namang ginagawa si Papa. Mama is waiting for Kuya. Oh, you know, kids are not allowed inside because kids like you, A1 and A2, are not allowed because you guys are alien. Love you guys! Oh, smile ka muna. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Ikaw naman. Di na siya galit kasi nag-sorry na ako. Yes? Okay. Wait lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry! Yes, man shots. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry! Again. Okay, what do you want to say? Must be to sa akin, Sagamol. Sagamol. Ano? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Okay. What can I do for you now? You want to go to Mama? You cannot go to Mama because there is look, the door is still closed. Mama is still waiting for Kuya. And what about you? Wow, wait, can I see your face? Wow, that's my dude, ha? And how about you? Okay, how about you? Lagi na lang Marte, lagi na lang si Papa nagsasorry. Hindi na nakakatuwa, guys. Lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin, say sorry first. Say sorry first. Bira, niloloko na ako ng mga anak ko. Okay, Nela. I will say sorry. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Kasi, ang may ng magic board namin sa bahay. Sorry. Ito naman. I will say sorry. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Still agree. Still agree. But look at my other dudes, ha. Smiling na. Tawa-tawa na siya. And what about you, my dudes, ha? 1. Really? Can you try? Can you try to your soul? And you. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Nela, you also. Nela. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah, may dumaang auto sa likod natin. Kailangan natin yung pa. Yeah, we're waiting for Kuya. So guys, thank you so much for our video for today. Oh, sama ulam daw. Sama ulam. Yeah, Vice. Okay. I will say sorry first we say sorry first to Leila. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah, you like donut now? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You also. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. I say sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You have to make it louder. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Leila, don't laugh, don't smile. Okay. 1. Both of us. We make it so nice that your sister will smile. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Ang mga anak nito pambira. Puputihin. No, look at Papa's hair. All white. Kasi lagi nila ako nagsusorry yan. White na yung hair ko. Pambira. Pati balbas ko, tsaka bigote, white na dahil sa kasusorry nyo. Okay, sige na. 1, 2, 3. Sorry! Oh, happy na. Oh, sino naman? Okay, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Sorry! Only Papa, okay. 1, 2, 3. Sorry! Yay! Okay na. Yay! Happy na kasi okay yung sorry ko. Okay. You like donut? Okay, we will wait for Kuya and I will get the donut. You like chocolate or pink donut? Okay. But first we say, okay. Okay. First, yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait lang. Bye-bye. 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 Happy.